सो हेलो गाइस एंड वेलकम बैक। थंबनेल से आप लोगों को पता चला ही होगा कि मैंने और एक कैमरा लिया है, दैट इज़ एक्शन कैमरा। एंड बहुत रिसर्च सर्च करके, बहुत रिव्यूज़ देखने के बाद मैंने ये कैमरा चूज़ किया है। एंड इसके बारे में आपको बाद में भी बहुत सारा कुछ बताऊंगा कि हाउ वाज माई एक्सपीरियंस विद दिस, अगेन द फंक्शनैलिटी, अगेन रिलायबल है नहीं कुछ है, प्रॉब्लम्स वगैरह जो कुछ भी है मैं एक सेपरेट वीडियो में बताऊंगा ज़रूर। बट दिस इज़ द वीडियो जस्ट टू फॉर द अनबॉक्सिंग एंड जितने को मतलब कितने प्राइस में मैंने ये सब कुछ लिया है। सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल आई विल टेल यू गाइस व्हाट आई हैव गॉट। सो फर्स्ट इज दिस, द कैमरा itself, then the invisible selfie stick officially from the Insta360, then lens guard for the 360 cam because lens उसके बाहर रहता है, वो आपको दिख ही जाएगा। then this is a 64 GB UH3 memory card, a micro SD card from ScanDisk. So now without any further ado, just unbox this. So this is the accessory box which was already in this box, so I'm just gonna open it. So I guess nothing, just the Insta360 stickers, then the C-type charging cable. Now in this, I guess that this is the cover. Yeah, this is the cover for the camera. So in case you just gonna carry in your pocket, you can just slide it down in this, and this is perfect now. And what's in this? Obviously lens cleaner cloth, specially, I don't know specially or not specially for this thing. Then some books, I mean the manual and all, how does it operate, but I already know how does it operate. Now this is the invisible selfie stick, or I don't know what does Insta360 call this. I'm just assuming they call this the invisible selfie stick because obviously it becomes invisible. So yeah, as you can see over here, designed for bullet time and official Insta360. Then the roller mount over here. Now this is pretty big, as you can see, right from here to here, almost like 1.5 foot to 2 foot. You can say feet. Obviously this is the lens guard for it. I'm just not gonna unbox this thing. And again the memory card. Now is the time for the real thing, that is the camera. So this is the camera, as you can see, 360 because it has dual lenses which capture a whole 360 degree view. Now first time switching on the cam. शुरू हो जा मेरे भाई. I guess it just needs a bit of charging, so I'll just right from here. I guess we'll start now. Started with the beep, and this is the coolest thing which they have given. As you can see, this is now facing towards my keyboard, and as you can see over my monitor. And as I slide this is gone towards my PC, then my bedroom, then this is me again towards my PC. Now talking about the features this camera gives is, as you can see, I don't know if you guys can see or not, this is currently recording in 5.7K. Now this is started recording. You can change these settings. This is 5.7K at 30 fps, then 4.7K at 30 fps, also 4K at 50 fps. You have an option for that. Then you have an option for 3K, which records at 100 fps. So very much linear, as you can see. This is now facing the back cam towards me, now facing the rear cam, which is behind this. Now I don't know what this does. Okay, basically this has gone to only one cam side. As you can see, for vlogging and all, you can just use this front lens of this, which is a 150-degree angle. It also has 1440 at 30 fps. This is the basic mode. It also has the pro mode. Now this is telling that MP4 video with option to adjust aspect ratio and apply superior footage stabilization in app or studio. So in one cam mode it just gives us 1440p at 30 fps, also at 50 fps, so not bad. Well, this was my unboxing review of this fantastic camera, that is this Insta360 ONE X2. You can just Google or YouTube search about this cam, why this is the best 360 camera which can give a comparatively tough beat to the GoPro Max 360, because this has a battery life more than GoPro Max, plus it does not heat like the GoPro Max, plus the app is just fantastic. I just post some more videos in the future, hopefully soon. So yeah, stay tuned and do like the video, share the video, and if you are new to the channel, do subscribe. Till then, peace.